Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So if you're having any issue related to the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack of the device, you can solve this by the way as I'm showing in this video. You have to follow the steps and watch complete video, and you will learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A33. Let's watch the video and learn about it.